In this video, I will tell three basic differences between differentiation and integration. First basic difference between differentiation and integration is, in differentiation you will be decreasing the power. For example, formula is d by dx of x power n. It results in n into x power n minus 1. In differentiation, you will be decreasing the power by 1. In integration, what is happening? In integration, you will be increasing the power by 1. So, integration of x power n dx will result in x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Clear? This is the first basic difference you should remember. Differentiation decrease the power. Integration increase the power. Okay, let us do some examples. If it is d by dx of x square, what will it result in? In place of n, I have 2. If I apply this formula, it will result in 2 into x power 2 minus 1. That is 2x. Okay. Same thing with integration. If it is x power 2 dx, it's integration, so you should increase the power. In place of n, you have 2. So it will be increased to 2 plus 1. By 2 plus 1, that is nothing but x power 3 by 3. Okay. One more example. Let us say d by dx of x power 3. Apply this formula. Differentiation decrease the power. In place of n, you have 3. So it will result in 3 into x power 3 minus 1. That is nothing but 3 into x power 2. The power has been decreased by 1. Okay. What change will it undergo in integration? Had it been integration of x cube dx, its integration, let us apply integration formula, that is increase the power by 1. So x cube will change to x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That is nothing but x power 4 by 4. Okay. One more example. Let us say if it is d by dx of x power 4. Apply differentiation formula, it will result in 4 into x power 4 minus 1, that is 4 into x power 3. I have decreased the power in differentiation. In integration, what I do? Increase the power. Had it been integration of x power 4 dx, that will be x power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. That is equal to x power 5 by 5. In integration, I am increasing the power. This is the basic first difference between differentiation and integration. Okay. Second difference between differentiation and integration is, if I am differentiating a constant, let us say d by dx of k. K is any constant. Constant means any number. Okay. Differentiation of a constant will result in 0. Differentiation of constant result in 0. Now what change will it undergo in integration? Remember this. Integration of a constant will result in, this is a constant, it will not play any part, it will come outside. So k into integration of dx. Integration and differentiation are opposite to each other, they cancel out, resulting in k times of this letter x. Okay. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Integration of a constant will result in k times of variable x. Clear with the difference? Let us see some examples. If it is d by dx of 10, the answer will be 0. Same thing, if it is integration of 10 dx, it's a constant, it will not play any part, it will come outside. So 10 integration of dx, differentiation and integration are opposite, they cancel out, resulting in 10x. Did you understand the difference between the two? Okay, one more example. D by dx of 15. Differentiation of a constant is always 0. So this is 0. Integration of 15, let us say this time dy. Okay. 15 will not play any part, it will come out of the integration. So it will be 15 times of integration dy. Here differentiation, integration cancel out, resulting in 15 times of this letter, which is y. Okay. If here you have dx, it will result in x. If you have dy, it will result in y. Okay. One more example. D by dx of 35. 35 is a constant, differentiating a constant will result in 0. What happens in integration? Let us say 35 dy. 35 is a constant, will not play any part, come out. So 35 integration dy. Differentiation and integration cancel out each other, resulting in 35y. Okay. Clear with the second difference between differentiation and integration. The third basic difference between differentiation and integration is, this is the differentiation formula, that is integration formula. Let us say I want to differentiate 2x plus 3 power 2. Here I don't have x. If I am comparing these two, in place of x, I have got a bracket. Bracket has got two terms, power 2. In that case, how do we differentiate? We differentiate by following this method. Whatever is in place of x, I assume it to be x. So now this entire thing is of the form x power 2. In general, x power 2 differentiation is 2x. So this will result in 2 into x. In place of x, we have 2x plus 3. Okay. 2x plus 3 power 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay. Whenever we have something in place of x, we should do one thing more. And what is that thing is, whatever is the answer, you should multiply with the derivative of whatever you had in place of x. You considered this to be in place of x, so to the answer you should multiply by that derivative. In place of x, whatever you have to the answer, multiply by that derivative. So this will result in 2 into 2x plus 3 into differentiation of 2x and 3. Differentiation of 2x is 2 and for 3 it is 0. That I am not writing. So this is the answer. Okay. Now what change will it happen in case of integration? Let us say now I want to integrate integration of 2x plus 3 power 2 dx. Same thing. In place of x, I have a bracket. Clear? In place of x, I have a bracket. I assume it to be x. So now it is of the form x power 2. It will result in x power 3 by 3. In place of x, you have 2x plus 3. So power 3 by 3. Okay. We applied integration formula, that's it. Now the difference is, in place of x, you have something. So in that case, you should do one thing more, and that thing is, to the answer, you should multiply by the derivative of in place of x whatever you had in the denominator. For example, C. This is the answer. In the denominator, you should multiply by the derivative of in place of x whatever you have. So this will result in 2x plus 3 power 3 by 3 into 1 by d by dx of 2x and 3. D by dx of 2x is 2. For 3 it is 0. I am not writing. Clear? The difference is in differentiation, in place of x whatever we have, to the answer we multiply by that derivative in the numerator only. In case of integration, in place of x whatever we have, to the answer we multiply by that derivative in the denominator. That is the difference. Clear? In differentiation, beside the answer you write derivative of that. Whereas in integration, to the answer multiply by the derivative in the denominator. Clear? Look at one more example. Let us say I want to find d by dx of 4x square plus 5 power 4. So in place of x I have got this entire thing. Now it is of the form x power 4. So I apply differentiation formula 4 into 4x square plus 5 power 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. In place of x whatever you have, you should multiply by that derivative to the answer. So this into d by dx of 4x square plus 3. D by dx on this and also on this. So that will be 4 into 4x square plus 5. 4x square differentiation will result in 8x, and for 3 it is 0, that I am not writing. Clear? In place of x whatever you have, to the answer you need to multiply by that derivative. Okay. Now what change will it undergo in integration? Let us say we need to integrate 4x square plus 5 power 4 dx. So if I compare these two, in place of x I have this entire thing. Okay, so now it is of the form x power 4. It will result in 4x square plus 5 power 4 plus 1 is 5 by 5. Okay. In place of x you have certain terms and you are integrating. So to the answer you need to multiply by that derivative in the denominator. So this is the answer, multiply by the derivative of in place of x whatever you had. In the denominator you should multiply. That is the difference between the two. So this will result in 4x square plus 5 power 5 by 5 into 1 by 8x. Differentiation of this is 8x, for 5 it is 0, so that I am not writing. This is the answer. Okay. In differentiation, whatever you have in place of x, to the answer we multiply by that derivative. In case of integration, in place of x whatever we have, to the answer we multiply by that derivative in the denominator. Is it clear? One more example. Let us say now d by dx of 9x square plus 2 power 5, let us say. This will result in 5 into 9x square plus 2 power 5 minus 1, 4. I have this thing in place of x. So to the answer I should multiply by that derivative. So d by dx of 9x square plus 2. Apply this on 9x square and also to 2. So that will result in 9x square plus 2 power 4 into, for 9x square it is 18x, for 2 it is 0, that I am not writing. So this is the answer. Clear? Whatever you have in place of x, multiply by that derivative to the answer. In case of integration, let us say it is integration of 9x square plus 2 power 5 dx. This will result in 9x square plus 2 power 5 plus 1, 6 by 6. In place of x, I have this. So to the answer, I should multiply by this derivative in the denominator. So into 1 by dx of 9x square plus 2. This applied on 9x square and also to 2. So 9x square plus 2 power 6 by 6 into 1 by 18x. Clear with the difference? In place of x, whatever you have to the answer, you should multiply by the derivative in the numerator in case of differentiation. In integration, you should multiply in place of x whatever you have by that derivative in the denominator. Clear with the difference between the two?